Hi children, today we will learn phonic sounds A to Z. Letter A sound a, a, ant, a, ant, a, ant. Letter B sound bat, bat. Letter C sound cashew, k, cashew. Letter D sound drums, drums. Letter E sound egg, egg, egg. Letter F sound fish, fish. Letter G sound goat, goat. Letter H sound house, house. Letter I sound ink, ink. Letter J sound two hands open, just jelly, jelly. J after K, letter K sound kite, kite, kite. K after L, lollipop, lollipop, lollipop. L after M, two hands stomach పై పెట్టుకొని M after N, airplane. Next, N after O. On and off. On and off. On and off. On and off. O after P. Puff. 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 P after Q. Qua, qua, qua. Qua, qua, qua. Qua, qua, quill. Qua, qua, quill. Q after R. 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 R after S. S after T. T is tennis. 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 T after U. U means umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella open చేస్తాంగా umbrella. Umbrella. U after V. Van. 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 Letter W. Wow. Wow. X. Letter X. Xylophone. 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 Next, letter Y. Yogurt. 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 Last one, letter Z. Letter Z. Buzzing bee. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Thank you.